This car radio is compatible with the Toyota Tundra 2007 to 2013 models. The back of a car radio. We have included 2 sets of power harnesses. Before installation, please confirm which set of harness connectors is compatible with your original vehicle's interfaces. Scan the QR code to contact customer service and you will receive faster technical support. This one is designed for the top trim models. The 16-pin connector is responsible for various connections, including power supply, account key switch, reverse gear detection, steering wheel learning, speaker output, and dim light detection. 20-pin A or V multi-function connector, external amplifier control, channel audio line input and output, video input, external microphone connection, and fan power output. Connect the 6-pin USB plug. Connect the 4-pin OEM USB connector. This 10-pin cable is used for reverse video input, brake detection, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth antenna connections. Connect the GPS antenna plug. Locate the radio antenna from the 16-pin cable harness and plug it in here. Please connect the black fan connector to the one on the 20-pin cable. Then connect the microphone connector. From the 16-pin harness, locate the 2 connectors labeled AUX and L and AUX and R, and connect them to the 2 connectors marked FL out and FR out in the 20-pin harness. Be sure to make the connections in accordance with the labels and the wiring method shown in the diagram. From the 16-pin harness, locate the connector labeled back video, and connect it to the connector on the 10-pin harness. All cable harness connectors are plug and play with OEM connectors. The remaining connectors on the original vehicle require no further handling. We will remove the 16-pin power harness. To demonstrate the installation of the basic version of the 16-pin power harness, plug in the 16-pin power cable. Then plug in the radio antenna. All cable harness connectors are plug and play with OEM connectors. The remaining connectors on the original vehicle require no further handling. If using the included backup camera, connect the camera's power cable and signal cable. Connect the power cable and signal cable of the rearview camera. Then, connect the red wire from the power cable to the extended red wire from the signal cable. Connect this combined red wire to the positive terminal plus of the car's reverse light. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the car's reverse light.